Power off to prevent short circuits during screen removal. Remove the new screen and tools. Use a 5-point screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the tail. Use a hairdryer to evenly heat the screen edge at close range for 3 to 5 minutes. Do not heat any one area for an extended period to avoid damage. Place the suction cup at the bottom of the screen and carefully lift it upwards to create a small gap. Insert a triangular pry tool into the gap and gently slide it left and right. As the gap widens, carefully pull the screen backwards. If there's a gap at the top, use the pry tool to slide along the gap and gently pry upwards. Be careful not to damage the clips at the top of the screen. Flip the screen open to the right. Do not exceed 100 degrees Celsius. Because the right side of the phone's screen and earpiece flex cable are connected to the motherboard, remove the screws and metal plates securing the screen flex cable, touchscreen flex cable, earpiece flex cable, and battery flex cable. Use a pry tool to pry the battery flex cable terminals upwards. Disconnect the battery flex cable to power the battery. Disconnect the screen display flex cable, touchscreen flex cable, and earpiece flex cable terminals from the motherboard. Remove the screen. Disconnect the screen and earpiece flex cable. First, remove the 4 screws securing the earpiece. Then heat the screen cover with a hairdryer for 3 to 5 minutes. Gently remove the earpiece cable. If it cannot be removed, heat again for a while. Remove the protective film from the new screen. Install the earpiece on the new screen. Align the earpiece cable with the screw holes on the new screen. Then tighten the screws. Attach the screen cable and earpiece cable terminals to the motherboard. Remove the battery cable terminal. Replace the retaining plates on the battery cable, screen cable, and earpiece cable. Tighten the screws with a triangular screwdriver. Perform a simple power on test, then power off. Check screen functionality. 1. Touch function check. Long press the icon and drag across the screen. No interruptions or inconsistencies in touch detection should occur. 2. Distance sensing and speaker function check. When making a call and placing the hand over the phone speaker, the screen turns black. 3. Facial recognition function check. Enable facial unlocking and record a facial image. Once successful, the device can be unlocked using facial recognition. 4. Front camera check. Turn on the front camera to verify it functions properly. After completing the functionality test. After completing the function tests, turn off the phone and let it sit for 30 seconds. Then, reassemble the screen and body. Use a 5-pointed screwdriver to reinstall the 2 bottom screws. Screen replacement complete.